alam na natin. But you know, we cannot make a choice, cannot make a decision if wala tayong detachment. Saint Francis was detached. In fact, he gave up everything, even his clothes. Lahat na. At tayong problema natin, masyado tayong attached. Masyado tayong nakakapit, first of all, to our own comfort, to our own, how people look at us, how people think about us. Tignan mo yung katabi mo kung ano mga attachments na naka-attach palagi. Ang dami mga attachments. Magmula sa buhok, sa tenga, hanggang dito, kung ano-ano pa, baka dyan pa, dito. Maraming attachments. So siguro, isipin natin, if you're so attached, we cannot make the journey very well. Hindi mo maiwan-iwanan eh. Month of the Rosary, October. How many of you have a rosary with you? Yan ang attachment dapat. Pakilabas nga natin yung rosary natin. Dapat palagi may dala-dala.